Okay, if that's what you were talking about, data structures, then no. I think that that type of like computer science-y or DevOps data structures are probably not as beneficial as you would think for data science. What I was referring to earlier, as far as like how you write custom data objects within Python, I think that's much more valuable. I'm not sure if I would recommend this for everybody because I think it's a little bit advanced. But one of the times that I felt that I really mastered data structures for data science was when I was working on a multi-threaded application for Python. Python and multi-threading is kind of funny, where how it handles like the worker threads and how it takes in data and how it locks threads and things like that. And you're kind of forced to use data objects to properly work with Python and the way the multi-threading is set up in Python.